This is the StrongArm Fine Edge fixed blade knife. It features full tang construction with a 420 high carbon fine edge blade for strength and durability. It's coated in black ceramic for low profile use and corrosion resistance. The knife's handle has a rubber overmold engineered with a diamond texture for superior grip in all conditions. The modular sheath has snapped together components that allow you to mount the knife in multiple ways, using MOLLE or vertically or horizontally on a standard tactical belt. Proudly built in Portland, Oregon, this is the StrongArm.
Today at CRKT we're showing you the Homefront. This knife has a World War I vintage look, and it's built for everyday carry. It's the first knife to feature designer Ken Onion's breakthrough field strip innovation, and here's how it works. While the knife is in the closed position, first, push the front release lever up away from the blade side. Then spin the release wheel on the rear of the handle away from the pivot shaft. Once you feel the handle release, pull it up and away from the blade. There are no parts and you don't need any tools to take this knife apart. To put the knife back together, place the three components of the knife in their closed position. Press the handles together and spin the release wheel counterclockwise. You'll want to push the front lever down towards the blade and then make sure the rear wheel is tight and the knife comes back together. Overall, when assembled and open, the knife measures in at 8.3 inches. The blade length is 3.5. The Homefront is also equipped with a plain edge AUS8 stainless steel blade. When open, the blade is held securely in place by a locking liner for safety. To close the knife, slide the locking liner over with your thumb and disengage the blade. The handles are made from 6061 aircraft grade aluminum, and it's a one-position pocket clip that is a tip-up carry. With this breakthrough field strip technology, you can purge it of mud and dirt at camp. If you're a soldier, you can rid of it of sand in the field, and mechanics can wipe it clean, without having to return to the workbench to get any tools or anything. It's very useful while in the field, and it's a CRKT first. Thanks for watching and for carrying CRKT knives.
Anything, anytime, anywhere. This 11.5-inch beast of a blade features rock-solid stainless steel construction with a non-reflective finish. The ergonomically contoured, overmolded handle provides a secure, slip-free grip you can count on. An oversized metal guard protects your hand from slipping to sharp blade, and a pre-drilled lanyard sleeve in the handle allows you to attach a wrist lanyard quickly and easily. Remember, with the Marine Force Recon name on it, there's nothing this Bowie knife can't handle.
Hello and welcome to Gorilla Surplus Knife Overviews. I'm Evan, and today we'll be taking a look at one of the most famous knives in history, the K-Bar USMC fighting knife. This knife has been getting the job done since World War II and is still one of the top tactical blades for troops and survivalists. Now first, let's take a look at the blade. Its 1095 Crovan is the perfect steel for fixed blades because it can take a beating. It has excellent toughness and is easily sharpened to this fine edge. The Bowie is a versatile blade style. Its clip point tip makes for easy piercing and ripping, while the large belly allows for powerful chopping and cutting. What more could you want from a tactical knife? The tang is imprinted with an official K-Bar stamp down here, and on the other side it has the United States Marine Corps lettering. The blade comes housed in this leather sheath with a snap down here that keeps it in place. It also has similar K-Bar and USMC lettering. Next, let's take a look at the handle. The handle is made out of brown leather that gives the knife the classical tactical outdoor look it's known for. Its oval shape fits comfortably in either of your hand. These deep grooves prevent slipping in dusty or wet conditions. In combat, press your thumb against a quillin to create a saber grip. It will give you more thrusting power and control. Or, place your thumb onto the blade for a modified saber grip. Its powdered metal butt cap will help keep the handle from slipping out of your hands. And it can be also used as a hammering tool with its flat bottom. Taking a look at the specifications now, the handle length is 124 millimeters. The blade length is 178 millimeters. And the overall length is 302 millimeters. The weight is 318 grams. If you're interested in a next level knife and want to stay within the same classic knife style, the Cold Steel 1917 Frontier Bowie fixed blade is a knife for you. The large sword-like blade is battlefield ready with a big S-shaped quillin guard to protect your hand. If you want to buy or learn more about this knife, click the link to the side or down below. And now, let's see how the USMC really performs. To recap, the K-Bar USMC fighting knife has a long Bowie-style blade that excels at tactical combat with its sharp piercing point and large chopping blade belly. It's made out of 1095 Crovan steel, making the knife extremely tough.